What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a haircut tutorial on Neels Visser. So I've gotten a bunch of requests over time to see Neels' haircut and hairstyles. And as you can see here, these are some video stills and some grabs that I've gotten from his hairstyles. These are very recent, within the last couple days, and one about a month or so ago. So he's got that kind of surfer textured look. And his hair is this natural blonde color, like a dirty blonde. And he's got it in a variety of different ways, a lot of texture in his hair. So I'm gonna go through the haircut and then break down some of the different styles that you've seen on him. So I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right, guys, so here is the first look and the complete haircut. This is based off of a most recent video that he did with Travis Scott on an interview, and which you can see on YouTube. And basically, it's kind of just like a normal kind of men's layered haircut. I mean, nothing, he's got incredible hair, but this is basically the look, and I held everything straight out from the head, basically, cutting it to about maybe 3 inches all around, maybe a little bit shorter in through the sides and around the ear. Here we have the back area, which is just kind of like almost like a grown out, you know, from growing out a haircut. A lot of times the hair naturally will do this. I gave it a little bit of texture when I point cut it. He does wear a side part, but I used 25 spray right before I blow dried it, because 25 spray does give, you know, a little bit of texture, some really nice, makes your hair feel great, and gives a little bit of volume too. So now what I want to do is I want to change it up and show you a different type of style that he has. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm basically just kind of roughing up the shape a little bit and kind of enhancing the natural texture that he has, and this mannequin has as well, believe it or not. The way you cut hair actually does bring out the texture. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my fingers and just changing the style up a little bit to where it's getting a little more volume, and that's basically by just going in and kind of lifting from the root area and then just going in and adding some texture into here. And then lastly, we're going to go for that kind of beachy look that he seems to have quite a bit in a lot of his modeling shoots. And I'm just using a tidal wave to kind of bring out some of that texture right into here. All right, and here we have more of a kind of beachy textured look. Again, this would be easier to do. Maybe I can do his hair one day. Help me get this out to him so I can actually use him as a model and do his hair. But anyway, this is pretty much it. As you can see, with this one haircut, you can do a variety of different looks. And let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, YouTube, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and help me get this out to him. Maybe he could see it. Maybe I can do his hair one day, because I'm in New Jersey and he's over in New York. So we're right next to each other. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.